Ancient Africans created great civilizations. And you see the curve to the top of this house or to the top of this structure? That curve is built with something called a Nubian arch. So if you go online and do research on Nubian arches, you'll find that ancient Africans have been using incredible architecture and engineering strategies for thousands of years. And then we brought those engineering strategies to the Americas and made a beautiful, incredible country. If you go to inner cities like Baltimore, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., all of that architecture that you see in those cities were built using African ingenuity and African creativity. And what we want you to do to remember what a 10 looks like is that you need to learn about how ancient Africans wrote the number 10. So we want you to remember that we want you to remember that curve house, and we want you to think about this as being a house of 10. So imagine this is a house with 10 people inside. Now, if there's going to be a house with 10 people inside, of course we're going to need some people. I think we need to bring some people in here. So we're going to bring in our friend. We're going to bring in a villager. Okay. Now this villager, he represents 1. So remember, this is a house with 10 people inside. And then we have a villager who represents 1. That means he's 1 person, or also 1 unit. So now we're going to start from 0. Okay, we're going to have some fun counting. Mackenzie, can you come help me count, please?
Yes.
Are you going to help me too, big brother?
Yes, I will.
Okay, come on over. Let's start counting. So first we're going to count to 10. And we're going to start using the village. Let's see, who wants to count first?
Me.
You want to count first, Precious?
Yes.
Okay.
And everyone, wherever you are, you can count along too.
All right, so you're going to count first. So here we go.
1.
Excellent.
2.
Good job.
3. 4. 5.
Over your turn.
6. 7. 8. 9. 10.
Very good. Now we have 10. So since we have 10, we have to do a process called group. And the way we do a group in African math is just a process called clear carry, where you clear the difference and you carry 1 group forward. So we're going to clear all of these away. We're going to clear this 10. And we're going to clear that 10, and we're going to carry forth a group or a household of 10. So now this is a household of 10. And the reason that it has this trace mark here is you're supposed to start at green. When you get your play sheets, you're going to start at green and you're going to trace all the way over and draw a nice 10. So this is what ancient African numerals look like. And this is what a 10 looked like in ancient African numerals. So now we have a 10, but remember the Swahili style video that you counted. Instead of saying 11, we're going to say 10 what?
1.
Very good. What does 10-1 mean?
It means 10 and a 1.
Very good. And
One group of 10 and 1 group of 1.
And how would you say that in English?
11.
Very good. So we're going to start counting. Let's count 10. We're going to do what we did before. Mackenzie, we want you to start counting from 10-1. So we have 10-1.
10-1.
Mm-hmm.
10-2.
Excellent.
10-4.
That's 10-4?
10-3.
Okay, good job. Good job. 10-3. What's this one?
10-4.
Good job.
10-5.
Excellent. Over there, your turn.
10-6. 10-7. 10-8.
Wait a minute. There you go. Here we go.
10-8. 10-9. 20.
So now we need to take our group of 10 and we need to move them all into one nice household. Wait a minute. You said 20. Wait a minute. I need you all to help me know what 20 means.
It means 2 10s.
Okay, so
Twin means 2 and T means 10.
wait a minute. Twin. So that means that if two people are born at the same time from the same mother, that they're twins.
Yes.
So that means 2.
Mhm.
So if I put the T after 2 or twin, that means 2 10s, twin T. Oh, so this is these two houses of 10
Are
means,
twins.
oh, you are a genius. Thank you so much. Wait a
welcome.
minute. Wait a minute. Then what happens if I have 3 houses of 10?
That's 30.
Is it 3T? Or
No, it's 13.
30? And why is it 30?
The 3, the third is for 3, and the T is for 10. 13.
Oh, so what does T mean?
T means 10.
Wait a minute. Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Okay, so wait a minute. If that's the case, I need you to help me understand. Now I have 4 houses of 10. So if you're telling me that if I say 4 and then T,
Then you have 4
T.
10s.
Oh, that sounds fun. Wait a minute. I can't wait to the next one. What about 5 houses of 10?
You call that?
Wait a minute. So what I call it, 5T?
No, you call it 50.
Well, what does it mean?
The 5th is for 5, and the T is for 10.
Oh, wait a minute. I can't wait for the next one. What's this right here?
60.
Wait a minute. That means that 6T, if T means 10, then
there's
6T
6 10s.
means, what is 6T?
6 10s.
Oh my goodness, this girl is a genius. Wait a minute. I gotta do 7, because 7 has gotta be different.
It's called 70.
70?
70.
7T. What is the, wait a minute. That means that 7 and 7T means
7 10s.
oh my goodness, that can't be the same for 8. I'm seeing a pattern here. Let me make this 8. Wait a minute. I'm going to start counting from here. 10,
20, 30, 40, 60,
60. Wait a minute.
50,
Okay.
60, 70, 80.
8 T's. 80.
8 10s.
You gotta be kidding me. Well, what happens with this last 10 right here?
That's called 90.
Why is it called 90?
Because they're 9 10s and because they're 9 10s. They're 9 and there's a 10. 9 T. 9 10s.
Whoa. I am dazed and amazed. That is incredible. Thank you so much for teaching me that. You really opened my eyes. Wow. Okay, wait a minute. What if we take them all? That's 90. But if I take one away, what is that?
80.
Wait a minute. I'll take another one away. What's that?
That is 70.
Whoa. I'm going to take this one.
That is 60. 50. 40.
30.
30.
Excellent. Oh, let me get this off. It didn't go away. There we go.
30.
Excellent.
20.
20.
20. 10.
Whoa. And how many people are in that house?
10.
Wow. It's a house of 10. I love it.